This was given in the group by one of the students, and looks like he has been working on this problem for a while. Now, here's the problem. Where k tends from 0 to n summation is a expression, and then plus 2. I believe the problem is like this. In other words, if this equals to 0, the answer will be 2. Now, first step first. Look at this expression. We can demonstrate easily where this series is a summation of positive number. So therefore, this has to be equal to positive number. In other words, if this is positive number plus 2, this number will be more than 2. So if you look here options, what are more than 2? 0? Clearly it's not possible. 1? No. Because you said this is going to be a positive number, there's no way something positive plus 2 is equal to 1. Pi square is almost 9.8, closer to 10. That's a possibility. Log 2 is a small number, less than 1. Then clearly the log 2 is not a possible option. So only option we have is log e, which is 2.7, and this is 9.8. So now our choice are limited to this. So let's see how we can resolve this using smart shortcut method without solving the problem. So let's look at the shortcut method and how to proceed this to pick either B or D as answer. So let's go for the next step. So we are ready to discuss the shortcut method. Usually this series converges to a number when n is approaching infinity, starting from numbers. So let's try to see what is happening. So I take this series, put n equal to 1, did manually. The answer is 7 over 12. 2, 19 over 30. 3, 1063 over 1620. So we can say roughly this series is converging somewhere to a 3 or 0.6 something. That is the option. So a series is converging around this number. Plus 2, that is 2.6 something. No way is going to be go as high as 9 because the series is converging. Which number is close to 2.6 or 2.7? Choice is clear. The answer for this series is going to be E. The whole series is plus 2. That means series answer is this one is E minus 2. So that E minus 2 plus 2 becomes E. So this series answer should be E minus 2. Now, the shortcut method is a little different if I did have the options, but you can see how using shortcut method without going through all the nuances of the problem, we are able to solve the given problem. Remember, the examiner is trying to reach out to you, challenge your brain, how to do this. And you have to pick option. You need to challenge the examiner to find a way to find the trick. Remember, if you solve this problem in 5 minutes, good. But person who solves this same problem in 3 minutes or 2 minutes like this, who is the winner? The person who is taking less time, because the time you save in one problem, you can use to solve other complex problem. Remember, time is the greatest weapon you have in your hand. So think, and always after you solve the problem, look for shortcut methods, try to see how you can make solutions smart, because at the end of the day, the time is going to be the critical factor when you go for JEE exam. So look at a smart shortcut method, try to see what approach you have taken, learn from it, and go forward. We'll be discussing many more shortcut tricks like this. If you like it, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and we'll go over a few more problems similar style. Now, I do plan to take more structured lessons and topics going over